and gentlemen.
Good
How are
morning.
you today?
Good morning, Miss Kat. I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Jumria Safitri and you can call me Jum. I'm guide from Tours and Travel Polytechnic Pariwisata Makassar. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will explain the Bugis culture of instrument musical in South Sulawesi. Well, I have history about traditional musical instrument originating from South Sulawesi. Area general, a type of musical instrument that is mostly played at traditional events and witnessed by the local community. However, apart from being played at traditional events, the musical instrument is also played just for entertainment. And I have two topics. The first, the uniqueness of traditional Bugis Makassar, her musical instrument. And the second example about of the Bugis and Makassar instrument musical. The uniqueness of traditional Bugis musical instrument, for example, material and shape. Materials and shape. Materials many Bugis and Makassar musical instrument are made from natural materials such as wood, bamboo, rotan, and animal skin. And shape, for example, gendang pula, which is shaped like a jug, and quick, which is resembled trumpet. And function, for example, gendang pula is used to accompany traditional rituals and has a symbolism, meaning symbolizing straight and quick, which is used to give signals in word. How to play gendang hitting with the palm of the hand. Fingers usually worn to accompany the bride and groom. Example of unique Makassar Bugis traditional musical instrument. The unique features of the Bugis Makassar traditional musical instrument, namely kecapi. The kecapi is smaller and slimmer compared to lutes from other regions in Indonesia. The material for making is also different, using just fruit wood, which is famous for its durability and the way to play it, picking it with fingers. Players usually use pig made from buffalo or crow bone to produce a sharper and louder sound. Usually, these musical instruments are played together or alone. This is person skill in the lute musical instrument. This is example of playing a musical instrument for a traditional event. And the next, the choice of material for making drum is because apart from its durability, the culture of the sound it products is also due to the word. And usually, the musical instrument is used to accompany wedding. The first, pancho flute. Short flute is flute that has 6 tone holes. In the Sinjai community, the pancho flute is also called the kambara or twin, and its presentation is accompanied by songs. For example, lenggang-lenggang songs. Usually is also often used for self-entertainment when looking for the garden where you're alone. Such as weddings, traditional ceremony, entertainment, musical perform, and dance instrument. The first, ganrang or gandang and drum, or what is called gendang in Indonesia, is one of the traditional musical instrument of the Makassar tribe, which can still survive and be heard today. Gandrang, apart from functioning, is an accompaniment to traditional dance. It's also a marker for traditional ceremonies, including the traditional Makassar wedding ceremony. And gandrang is musical instrument that was played long before Indonesia independence, namely during the reign of the Goa Kingdom. Gandrang is divided into 3 types, namely gandrang Mangkasara, gandrang Pakarena, and gandrang Pakaraj. Gandrang Makassara is drum that is quite large. It's also called gandrang lompo, big drum. Lompo is big. The next, pui-pui is South Sulawesi with this instrument. The musical instrument is also often called puik-puik. Puik-puik has conical shape resembling a clarinet made from metal plates and pieces of palm leaves. The metal on this musical instrument is the bass. Then the cone is made wood. Throughout the wood tree are several holes that product different tones. The musical instrument is usually used to accompany witches, various traditional ceremony, and regional art events in South Sulawesi. Puik-puik is and the next, kacapi or kacaping is traditional musical instrument from South Sulawesi. The way to play is to pitch it. Usually, kacaping is used to accompany fairy tales from the time of our accompaniment to traditional dance. It's said the appearance of the kacaping was interpreted by sailor were inspired by the sound of the whipping, the sound of the sail, rubbing it by the wind while he was along in the middle of the sea. The musical instrument original used pedals attached to strings during its development. The look I bought because they were inspired by their profession is sailor. The main component of ketchupping is the steam, the ketchupping, and other components or ropes or strings. The boat-shaped steams of ketchupping are made from wood that can last long time, such as sandalwood or jackfruit. Meanwhile, strings are made of wire. How to play ketchupping by pliket? Manual ketchupping players are called pak- pak- pakacapping. The pakacapping usually played with other traditional musical instruments such as drums or flute. This this flute is to the race stories or strongest in the past. Uh, so the accompaniment of this traditional musical instrument is very meaningful and has certain uses. Uh, that all my explanation. Thank you for attention. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And thank you and good morning. See you the next trip and enjoy your trip.